So in this recording, I am going to walk through how to programmatically create a topic denial guardrail using Amazon Bedrock GuardRails. So this is the code. Um, so I'm instantiating the Bedrock client. Now, if you remember when we created the PII detection guardrail, at that time we created the guardrail using AWS console and then applied the guardrail, right? So when you apply the guardrail, the client, we use the Bedrock runtime client, right? So Bedrock runtime client is used for all those guardrail functions that are used on the runtime. For example, apply guardrail. But during design time, when we create, for example, a topic denial guardrail, then we use the Bedrock client, right? So this is what I have instantiated here, and then create topic denial is the function in which I have the logic of creating the topic denial um, guardrail, right? So the parameters that I need to provide to the create guardrail function are the name of the that particular guardrail, which in this case it's I'm creating a political guardrail, and the description of this topic. So this is the topic name. The description is that the guardrail should prevent the model from providing any information related to politics. Now, so this is the topic name. This is the description of the topic. Now, if the guardrail encounters any question related to politics, what should be the input message that it should give back to the user, right? That is the blocked input message, right? So during the input moderation or input guardrail, if the prompt contains questions related to politics, this is the answer that the model will give back to the user, saying that I'm sorry, I cannot answer any political questions. Ask me any other question, right? The guardrail can be used as a output moderator also. Like, so if the LLM outputs any, let's say through hallucination or by some other by some chance, right, it creates a output that is political in nature, it will block the output message also, and then the response that it will send to the user is, I apologize, I cannot share any topical political information, right? So the name, description, blocked input message, blocked output messaging, these are the parameters of the create guardrail function. And the topic policy configuration, as part of the topic policy configuration, what are the configuration that we are giving, right? The topics config, right? So in the topics config, topic policy configuration is a JSON configuration where I have the topics config as the key. I provide the name of the topic, which is a political topics, definition of the topic, which I'm saying request for information related to related to politics, and I'm giving some few short examples of how a political topic should look like. For example, can you tell me who is going to win the next Indian election? Who will be the next president of India? Who will win the assembly elections? These are some examples that I'm giving to the guardrail so that it understands what a political information topic looks like, right? And the type is deny, right? And the tags that I'm using is the scope, it's a political guardrail, environment is production, right? And then finally, I am creating the guardrail with these parameters, the name, the description, the topic policy configuration. This is the topic policy configuration that we created, then the blocked input messaging and the blocked output messaging, and then the tags, right? Then I'm returning the guardrail response. This is my entry point. If the module is main, guard equal to AWS guardrails, response equal to guard.create topic denial, and the print response. So let's run it. I'll run this, and then let's see what it, okay. So it generated this response, and let me actually put it into Sublime. right? So if we see here, it returned me. Important thing is the guardrail ID. If I have to use this guardrail, apply these guardrails, I need this guardrail ID. I have the guardrail ARN. The version is draft, right? So I can, when I'll create version, I can create version 1, 2, and all, right? So this is the output from the create guardrail function, right? And now if I go to this AWS console, I should be able to see the guardrail created now, right? Let's see, this is the guardrail that I just created. And if I go click on the draft working draft version, I should be able to see the denied topics. This is the denied topic, and the three phases, the phrases are the three example questions that I gave to the guardrail, right? So this is how we can create guardrails corresponding to a the programmatically create guardrails. In my subsequent recordings, I will show how. So today we created denied topics, right? How to create content filters, how to create guardrails for word filters, sensitive information. All these things I'll create small modules so that we understand how to create guardrails programmatically. Thank you. That's all.